So over here, you can see that I have this particular prompt result right here. And let's say you want to share this out with others publicly. In that case, you can utilize something called a public link. So to do that, you need to click on share and export. And over here, you can see that share is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click on share right here, just like this, then you can share this prompt and response or the entire chat, as you can see right here. And you can create something called a public link. So once you go around and do that right here, you get this public link right here. So let's just go around over here onto an incognito window right here. So now if I were to paste out this link right here, then this is a public link. So anyone on the web will be able to actually view out with this link on what this particular result is. So now you can see that this is the link. I can go around, copy and share it out right here. And if I were to go around under settings right here, you can also go to your public links and see what public links you have. If I were to go around over here and let's say, for example, I'm going to go around over here onto another link right here. Like I'm going to go for this one right here, and let's just change this around onto public link. So I'm going to share this out and click on share right here, create public link, then it creates a public link for this as well. So if I were to go around over here onto your public links, then you can see that this is what I have. So right now anyone can access this link, but if I want to disable this, let's just go around and copy out this link right here, and in incognito window right here, I'm going to paste out this link right here, just like this. So if I were to go around, then I will be able to access this out right here. But if I were to go around and delete this out right here and click on delete right here, just like this, then what happens is that the public link will be deleted. So if someone tries to access it using the link, then it says the link does not exist anymore right here. And this is how you can also go around and delete out all the public links if you want right there. So that is how you can go around and utilize public links inside of Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.